the letter Y. Yeah, that's the letter Y. Look, what's this behind the yams? It's yellow yogurt. They each took one big scoop. Their eyes opened in surprise. This is yummy! Yum, yum, yummy! They both said yummy at the very same time. And you know what? Yummy starts with Y.
That's right, the letter Y.
Start at the top.
Dun, 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 dun.
Little slanted line down. Back to the top.
Dun, 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 dun.
Big slanted line down. That's the letter